This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by charging and inspecting the roller so you have uninterrupted time. You power it on with a quick press. The LED confirms readiness. You clean the roller head to prevent contamination, and you remove any makeup so the device contacts skin directly. Once done, sit upright and relax your shoulders. Good posture keeps the device steady. Make sure the roller is secure on the handle and the intensity setting is low for your first pass to test comfort. You apply a small amount of compatible serum to the eye area or roller head so the tool glides smoothly. With the device set to a gentle setting, glide from the inner corner outward in slow, deliberate strokes. Repeat 5 to 7 times per side to stimulate circulation. Keep pressure light. The goal is movement, not force, and hold the roller at about a 30 to 45 degree angle for best contact. If vibration feels strong, lower intensity and slow your pace. To finish, power off and gently wipe the roller with an alcohol wipe, then store it in its case to protect the head. You follow a schedule of 3 to 4 sessions weekly at first, then adjust frequency based on results. If you see redness or feel persistent discomfort, stop immediately. Make sure you used a compatible serum and lowered the intensity. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device fails to vibrate, fully charge it, reseat the head, and test again before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.